Hello everyone, this is dietitian Smital Parera wishing all the Indians an amazing 74th Independence Day. Having completed 73 years of independence, Indians have seen a dramatic change in every aspect of life, especially the developments in technology and agricultural practices have led to a greater change in lifestyle and eating patterns among Indians. Sticking to our roots, eating natural food, and boosting our immunity is the key to live a healthy and fit life during this hour of COVID-19 pandemic so that we can help the country fight its battle by making sure that we contribute our bit by staying healthy. We will now look at the benefits of tricolor themed natural foods that help to boost our immunity as well as enhance overall health. The top band of the tricolor is saffron, which indicates strength and courage of the country. One of the most widely used spices in the Indian kitchen is turmeric, which has orangish yellow volatile oils and an active ingredient called curcumin that is highly potent antioxidant with anti-inflammatory and immune boosting properties to protect the population from falling prey to infections. Adding turmeric to foods in adequate amounts as well as consuming concoctions of turmeric improves the body's defense system and enhances overall strength and fitness. The middle band of the tricolor is white, indicating peace and truth. Garlic safely secures the white band position because of the presence of allicin that helps promote the production of immune cells. Allicin from garlic is optimally absorbed by the body when consumed in raw form. Also, the high sulfur content of garlic helps to flush out toxins from the body and stimulates the liver to produce detoxifying enzymes that filter out toxins from the body, ensuring cleanliness and peace is maintained in the body at all times. The navy blue Ashoka Chakra at the center of the white band signifies that there is life in movement and death in stagnation, and that change is the only constant. Blueberry, which is full of antioxidant anthocyanins and loaded with vitamin C, rightfully reminds us to adapt to the climatic changes by making a seasonal appearance and giving us the opportunity to load with ample antioxidants to improve overall health and well-being. The lower band of the tricolor is green, depicting fertility, growth, and auspiciousness of land. Tulsi or holy basil truly deserves this position because of its innumerable medicinal properties that Indians have been benefiting from since many generations. Each part of the tulsi plant is beneficial to mankind. The leaves, when consumed fresh, improves the conditions including but not limited to heart diseases, respiratory diseases, diabetes, and infertility. The holy basil seeds, commonly known as sabja seeds, retain ample water and help improve the hydration levels. Apart from consuming parts of the tulsi plant, breathing fresh air in the presence of tulsi also helps relieve stress and calms the mind. Thus, tulsi enhances the overall growth and development and depicts enormous health benefits on the body. So, this Independence Day, let us vow to spread the awareness of the tricolor foods and consume them regularly to protect our country by boosting our own immunity as well as helping our fellow citizens strengthen their immune system by using these easily available foods on a regular basis. Once again, wishing all a very happy, healthy, and fruitful 74th year of independence ahead. Thank you. Jai Hind.